So what's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So in this video we'll be taking a look at Lineage OS 18.1 for OnePlus 6 and 60. Recently we have received a new update of Lineage OS which is based on Android 11 and this time it's Lineage OS 18.1. So here I have my OnePlus 60. Let me show you the software information first, and here you can see device is running on Android 11. Lineage OS is 18.1 and we have the security patch of 5th April 2021. Also guys, I have done a dedicated gaming test on Lineage OS 18.1 for OnePlus 60. Make sure to check that out if you are into gaming. And at the end of video, I'll also show you how to install this ROM on your OnePlus 6 series. And as you all know that Lineage OS doesn't come with much of customization options. It has that clean UI, not much of bloatware. Basically it's known for its performance and better battery backup. So this will be the first look of your device after installing Lineage OS 18.1. Swiping towards the right hand side will open up Google Feed. And if you are installing this ROM for the first time, you might face some issues related to launcher that you might not be able to remove the applications from the home screen. Even I faced that issue, but that issue can be easily fixed by clearing the data of launcher. So just head to settings, find the application and clear the caches and storage of your launcher. After that you won't have any kind of issues. And personally I was using this ROM, I almost used for more than 24 hours. If I had to say anything about this ROM, then this is the perfect ROM currently to replace Oxygen OS for OnePlus 6 series. As you all know that Android 11 is a bit delayed for OnePlus 6 series. So if you want to have the Android 11 taste, this is the perfect ROM to be installed. The ROM comes with few basic applications like audio effects and a basic camera. For better camera performance, I'll leave a link of Google Camera APK in the description below. Just download that APK file and install Google Camera manually. And this Google Camera APK will provide you some better pictures. If you talk about the quick setting panel, we get some basic stuff like do not disturb. Screen recording feature is already been added on Android 11 builds. We have ambient display, live display and few other settings like always on display. Related to screen recording, you get both the options to record internal audio, or if you are gaming you can also record your teammates audio along with your voice too, though you don't get any option to select the resolution while recording videos. Basic stuff like calling works fine along with Wi-Fi calling, and we also get option to record calls. There are no issues with the alert slider, that too works great on this ROM. I've been using my Realme Buds on my OnePlus 60 after installing Lineage OS. Until now, no issues to be found, like disconnection or latency. None of the sensors had any kind of issues like with accelerometer, light, proximity, magnometer, compass, and gyroscope. Performance of gyroscope was pretty great while gaming. As I said, we don't get much of customization options, so let's quickly take a look at the settings panel. Under network and internet, both the bands of Wi-Fi are working fine, which is 2 GHz and 5 GHz. No random disconnections to be seen yet. One of the best part of this ROM is we get amazing battery life on this ROM. And here you can take a look at the screenshot. With 32% of battery remaining, the screen on time of the device was around 5 hours. So approximately I got around 6.5 hours to 7 hours of screen on time with my normal usage, and this was without gaming. So battery backup is damn good on this ROM. And other stuff under display like ambient display, adaptive brightness is being calibrated perfectly fine. Features like double tap to wake, double tap to sleep also have no issues. And the charging speed is also pretty good. I did not notice any kind of slow charging while charging the device. And here you can take a look at the always on display. But if you're using this feature, this might drain a little bit extra battery from your device. In the security section, we get only fingerprint unlock feature. We don't have face unlock feature on this build. And I've personally not noticed any kind of delays or issues with the fingerprint unlock. That seems to be pretty fast on Lineage OS 18.1. There are very minimal customization options which can be found in the settings panel. Then you go to system and here you'll have few options to customize the buttons. Status bar where you can enable quick pull down or change the position of your clock. Battery status style can be changed. Under gesture we have the same stuff which is off-screen gestures, and all the off-screen gestures are working fine. And the best part of this, whenever you have any update, you can just download the update from the system update section. But you need to make sure that you have Lineage OS recovery installed, which will help you in completing the installation of OTA update. So guys, this was a quick look on Lineage OS 18.1 for OnePlus 6 and 60. Do make sure to check out the gaming test on our gaming channel. I'll leave that link in the description below. And now let's talk about the installation guide. To flash Lineage OS, make sure you have TWRP recovery installed on your device. And before installing this ROM, also you need to keep one thing in mind. Your device should be on Oxygen OS. If you are on custom ROM, make sure to flash Oxygen OS on both the slots. After you are in TWRP recovery, go to install. I was running Oxygen OS on my device. Then you need to download these files. One is Lineage OS, second one is Google Apps, third one is TWRP zip file, and the fourth one is finalize.zip. Finalize.zip will copy the Lineage firmware on both the slots. So make sure to flash that too. So first we'll flash Lineage OS on a device. This is my OnePlus 60. Swipe to confirm flash. The process might take around 3 to 4 minutes. After ROM is successfully flashed, go back and now flash finalize.zip. Once that is done, go back, flash the TWRP zip installer. Once that's done, go to the main home page, go to wipe, tap on format data, type yes and hit this blue tick mark. This will write a complete device. And now we need to again copy the Google App package into the internal storage. But before that, tap on reboot and reboot recovery. After booting device into recovery, I have copied two files. One is the Google App package and the second one is Lineage OS recovery. So before rebooting my device, I'll also flash the Lineage OS recovery, because if you have custom recovery like TWRP recovery installed on your device, you need to manually flash the OTA updates. And if you have Lineage OS recovery, the device will automatically update your device to the latest version whenever any update is available. So first let's flash Google App package and make sure to use the specific package which I have given in the description below. So as you can see, Google Apps have been successfully flashed. Now I'll go to the main home page, tapping on install. I'll select install image. And here you can see I have Lineage OS recovery. I'll select this and select the last option, which is install recovery RAM disk. Swipe to confirm flash. So the flashing process has been completed. Now let me show you which recovery we have on a device. So tapping on reboot, tapping on recovery, and here you can see now we have Lineage OS recovery installed on a device. So now let's reboot a device to Lineage OS 18.1. And there we go, a device has been successfully booted with Lineage OS 18.1. So guys, this was the complete review and the installation guide for Lineage OS 18.1 for OnePlus 6 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.